If you want to code your sessions or games in line with your own philosophy, you can use Nodiant to create a custom coding template. Here is how you do that. You start by going to New Event. At the bottom, follow the link for customizable templates. Here you will find a list of the custom coding templates you have made before. If you haven't made any previously, this will be empty. Click on the button in the top right to create a new template. You will now have a blank coding template. At the bottom there are two options, New Code and New Label. Codes are used to record when a particular action takes place. For example, someone has taken a shot. Labels are used to give more detail to codes. For example, the shot was on target. Let's add a new code. We'll make a simple set-piece coding template to show the different options. Type in the name of the first action we want to capture. In our case, it will be corner. You can click on the default red to choose a different color if you want. I'm going to leave this code as the standard red. The lead and lag times are useful for capturing when an action has started and how long it continues. The lead time is the number of seconds back the code starts when you press it. For example, if we press the button as the corner is taken, we want the code to start 3 seconds before that. The lag time is the number of seconds after pressing the button that the code will end. We'll make it 5 seconds. You will see an option to add a second type of label here. We will return to that later. Once we are happy with our code, click Done. Let's add another new code for free kick. This time we will change the color to blue. We will add a similar lead time of 3 seconds. We will leave the lag time at 0 seconds. When lag time is left at 0, the code will stay on until you manually switch it off. We will now add some labels which can be used on both the corner and free kick codes. Add one named in-swinging, and another named out-swinging. Let's save template and see how it performs. To start coding a match or session, just select your template. With the corner code where we had set the lag time, you can see how much time is left before the code is complete. Click on any relevant labels while the code is still running. With the free kick code where we left the lag time as 0, we can select any labels before manually ending the code when we want. If you later want to edit your custom template, return to the customizable templates list. To edit or delete your template, hold and drag the name to the left. If your action has details that are only specific to it, you can use the label section inside a code. We will add one final code for penalties. In the Labels section of our new code, click on the plus symbol. We will add two labels, one for scored and one for missed. Let's save the template and check the changes. Now when we code a penalty, we get taken to another screen to add our detail label. Once you have selected the relevant labels, hit back.